In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change character in Naruto Ultimate Ninja Impact. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily swap between any character available in Naruto Ultimate Ninja Impact. So when you start a new mission in the game, usually you will be locked to a certain character for that specific mission. So after you go through the mission for the first time and you complete it, then you will be able to switch between all of the characters available. So basically, all that you have to do to change character is to clear any mission once, and immediately upon clearing a mission, you will be able to redo it as any of the available characters. So to keep it simple, simply finish the mission once. Then if you do it again, where you were able to change the cards of the character, you can now freely choose between any character that you have already unlocked. So all that you have to do is repeat the mission, and now you will be able to switch between all of the characters. So first, you must complete it with the character that was given. Then after completing the mission, you will be able to play the mission with any character. So this is going to work for every single mission available in the game, and of course you will have to unlock the characters on your own. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but regardless, for each chapter and each mission, you will be locked to a certain character for the first time, and then after you are done, on the results screen, regardless of the grade that you got, regardless of your score, you will get a notification that you are now able to freely switch between the characters. So complete a mission once, do it again, and you will be able to change which character you are using for a certain stage. There are various guides out there on how to unlock characters and how to complete certain missions if you are having trouble, but regardless, you should be able to do it on your own as soon as you finish any of the missions available in the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to change character in Naruto Ultimate Ninja Impact. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.